Are you the type of person who tends to ruminate over the past? Maybe past discussions, traumas, things that happened to you, things that were said, things you wish you would have said, just things that go around and around your head and you feel just stuck and it weighs you down, lowers your vibration? Well, I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to switch your brain up to get out of that stuck situation and back into the present moment where your energy needs to be. So it's all about where we put our focus and our intention. So you want to drop into your five senses and just, these are our common senses that we should use to bring us back into the present moment. These are powerful tools and they're free. So what you want to do, for one, if you can get out in nature, that's the best. Just your sense of touch, your sense of feeling. Right now the wind is blowing gently. It feels good on my skin. I can feel the sunshine warming my cells. So I pay attention to that. I drop into my body and out of my mind. And I send gratitude just for these simple things. Another thing, it's springtime right now. And there's tons of flowers out, just all the rain we've had here in California. Using my sense of sight to see these beautiful flowers and to appreciate them. Send gratitude to them, and the earth receives that and in turn sends her love back. So that's the other sense. Another thing you can do is notice the sounds around you. Right now I hear the wind blowing the leaves of the trees. There's a wind chime in a gazebo nearby. I don't know if you can hear it, but it has a beautiful sound. There's birds chirping. And these sounds help to balance our brain. There goes the crow, agreeing with me. So, yeah, it helps to, if you can hear what sounds are coming through your left ear versus your right, that helps to balance both hemispheres of your brain as well as to give you nature codes. Another thing you can do is through your sense of taste. Right now I have a nice cup of yogi tea. And I drop my mind into my taste receptors. And I'm tasting all the spices, the cinnamon, the licorice. It's a detox tea, so good tea to drink during springtime. Anyway, those are just a few tips to help bring you back into the present moment, switch up that brain, bring up your vibration in a free and easy way. And if you like this tip, please follow and subscribe for more holistic health advice. I hope you find this video helps bring some calm, peace, groundedness, and clarity to your mind. All my love your way.